Hi guys, it's Robin here with WTI. Let's talk cough and cold and Ricola. So this is the lemon mint. This is absolutely delicious. It is actually sugar-free. I just happened to rip the tag off, and it is the family size. These are just delicious. I hate the fake cherry flavor stuff, so I'm always looking for something that's really soothing for my throat, that is delicious. So right here, all individually wrapped, they come out like the little Ricola cough drops, and you just pop them right in. You can like slowly dissolve it by sucking on it. Sometimes I'm just straight up gonna chew it to get that instant relief, and I really love it. These, like I said, these are sugar free. They have all the herbal benefits in there, from the Swiss alpines, and I just love them. They're super delicious. The menthol is really what gives it that really nice soothing effect as well. So I love them. I highly recommend these. These are my new favorite cough drops, and that is my point of view.